Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Guitar Kits is probably one of the most rewarding and fulfilling DIY projects for music enthusiasts, allowing you to craft a unique instrument tailored to your preferences, from selecting the wood type and finish to assembling the components and setting up the instrument to your exact specifications, offering a deeper understanding of guitar construction and a sense of pride in playing an instrument you built yourself. This video will explore the top guitar kits available and guide you through the process of building your own. Number 5. BexGears DIY ST Guitar Kit. Have you always dreamed of owning a unique guitar? Now you can build your own with our easy-to-assemble kit. It's a fun and rewarding project for any skill level. It boasts a mahogany body, maple neck, and composite ebony fingerboard. These high-quality components ensure it sounds and feels amazing. The kit comes with everything you need to build your guitar, including the body, neck, fingerboard, electronics, and a black pickguard. No need to source parts separately. We've included clear, step-by-step instructions to guide you through the assembly process. Building your guitar has never been simpler. Don't worry. If you misplace your instructions, just contact us, and we'll send you a PDF copy. We're here to help every step of the way. Start building your dream guitar today. It's a fantastic project that will result in a truly unique instrument you'll cherish for years to come. What we like. This kit boasts a classic mahogany body and maple neck, providing a warm, resonant tone. It's designed for ease of assembly, making it perfect for beginners. If you're new to guitar building and want a straightforward project with great sound, this is the kit for you. Number 4. Fesley DIY LP Electric Guitar Kit. It comes pre-assembled and tested, ensuring a hassle-free setup. Enjoy a worry-free experience building your own guitar. This kit features a premium LP-style mahogany body for rich tones. The flamed maple veneer top adds elegance and visual appeal. It includes a solid mahogany neck and teakwood fingerboard for a smooth feel and durability. The versatile HH pickups deliver a wide tonal range. It offers a 24.75-inch scale length and 22 frets for precise intonation and smooth transitions. It's perfect for beginners and experienced players alike. Customize it by painting or staining to match your style. Infuse your instrument with a unique touch. Everything you need is included for a smooth assembly. You'll receive the body, headstock, strings, tuning knobs, bridge, pickups, strap, cables, and instructions. It comes with a 1-year assurance and 24-hour customer support. We're here to support your musical journey every step of the way. What we like. This kit comes pre-assembled and tested, ensuring a smooth building experience. The flamed maple top adds a touch of elegance and enhances the sound. If you value convenience and high-quality materials, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. Beautifully illustrated assembly manual. Perfect placement of pre-drilled screw holes. Quality wood and parts. With this guitar I find the playability extremely amazing, sounds great with every single genre, even metal. The quality you receive is beyond insane with properly leveled frets, and along with its ease of setup it took me about 30 minutes to build with a screwdriver and a wrench. Assembly was an absolute breeze. The finishes are smooth and the guitar is very user-friendly. Number 3. Fistrock DIY Double Neck Guitar Kit. This kit contains all the parts and hardware you'll need to build your own double neck guitar. It's great value for beginners, saving you the hassle of sourcing parts individually. It boasts a mahogany body and neck, a rosewood fingerboard, humbucker pickups, and high-quality chrome hardware. You'll be building a guitar with excellent tone and playability. The unfinished body and headstock allow you to personalize it. Paint, stain, or varnish it to create a truly unique instrument that reflects your personality. This kit uses sustainable mahogany and rosewood, ensuring both quality and environmental responsibility. The dense rosewood fingerboard improves tone and volume. While some basic tools are required, complete instructions are available. Contact us after purchase for the instructions or watch the video online. What we like. Get 2 guitars in one with this unique double neck kit, featuring both 6 and 12 strings. The unfinished body allows for complete customization. If you're looking for a challenging project with a truly unique instrument, this kit is ideal. What people say. Everything is here, is neat and clean and reasonably functional as is. The parts fit together well. The wiring was well laid out, with wire colors matching and connectors that only fit together one way. All parts are included, well organized, the routing of the body and positioning of neck pockets, saddle and bridge posts are accurate. The quality of the body and necks blew me away and are pretty much worth the cost of the kit to begin with. Number 2. BexGears 8-string DIY guitar kit. Have you ever dreamed of building your own guitar? Now you can with the BexGears 8-string DIY kit. It's the perfect project for any aspiring luthier. It boasts a stunning burl poplar veneer top, okame body, maple neck, and composite ebony fingerboard. You'll be amazed by the quality of the components. This comprehensive kit includes all the parts you need to build a complete, playable 8-string electric guitar. All the holes are pre-drilled for easy assembly. It even comes with strings and an electric cord, so you can start playing as soon as you're finished building. Get ready to make some noise. Don't worry if you're a beginner, it's easy to assemble. We'll send you a PDF with clear instructions if you need them. Please note that this kit is currently only available for right-handed players. We hope to offer left-handed versions in the future. What we like. Expand your musical horizons with this 8-string guitar kit. The striking burl poplar veneer top adds visual flair. It includes everything you need to build a complete, playable instrument. If you want to explore extended range guitars, this kit is for you. What people say. Like the wood rear routed body and neck. Fair pickups, tuners and bridge. I did not have to adjust the neck but just the bridge a little. Easy to play and lighter than I expected. The neck exceeded my expectations. It is smooth, decently thin for fast playing, comfortable to hold, and the feet work is really well done. Besides the usual truss rod adjustments, it was basically perfect out of the box. The burled veneer looks great, especially when finished. The body is pretty light, but when it is all assembled the guitar has a nice heft to it. Once assembled it feels sturdy and not likely to fall apart. Nothing is loose and the neck slots very nicely into the body to make for a solid piece. Was very impressed by this kit. Frequently run into issues in the neck set and action height with kits, and I always expect intonation issues and needing shims. This one went right into place and was a super fast setup. I loved the jumpers and no soldering required. Number 1. BexGears DIY Electric Guitar Kit. Have you always dreamed of playing guitar? Now you can build your own. This kit makes it easy and fun. It features a beautiful okame wood body and a maple neck for rich tone and smooth playability. Everything you need is included. Detailed instructions guide you through each step of the assembly process. Building your guitar has never been simpler. The kit includes all the parts you need: body, neck, electronics, and even a pickguard. Just add your time and passion. Create a truly personalized instrument. Once assembled, it will be a guitar that's uniquely yours. Don't worry if your instructions get misplaced. We'll send you a PDF copy. Let's get started. What we like. This semi-hollow body kit offers a versatile tone, perfect for various genres. The okame body provides a lightweight feel. It's designed for easy assembly, making it perfect for beginners. If you want a versatile guitar and an easy build, this is a great option. What people say. All the components were nicely bagged, pretty straightforward put together. After a few tweaks on the neck and bridge sections, the intonation came right in. I was able to play any chord past the 13th fret, in tune. Straight out of the box, this is exactly what I was wanting. All the parts were there, not damaged to any individual piece. The neck and headstock came so well finished that it really doesn't need much work. Body comes unfinished, all holes drilled, ready to be sanded and painted. By far the best quality DIY kit I've ever bought. Great kit. Includes everything needed to put together a nice guitar. It even came with strings and a headstock string guide. I was pleasantly surprised that the bridge had 6 intonation adjustment screws instead of the 3 screw adjustment shown in the product pictures. Everything fit well and the body was smooth and ready to apply a finish. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.